how to delete all TikTok comments history. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, what you're gonna do to be able to delete your messages or your comments rather is on the bottom part you will see profile. Click on your profile, and then on the upper right you will see the three dash lines. Click on those three dash lines and then tap on settings and privacy. Now here's the thing. Others have the options such as comment history, but for those that who do not have that, you can go here to your activity center, and then under activity center, here you will see your comment history. Click on comment history and basically it will give you all the lists of your comments that you have done in the application. And as you can see, there is no such option where you can delete all your TikTok comments at once. So what you can do is you can click on that comment and then tap on long press on that and individually and manually delete them one by one. For example, this one, you're gonna tap on delete. Basically, TikTok don't want you to have the ability to delete all at once, and then you just have to proceed and delete these messages. And basically, you have now successfully deleted all your TikTok comments, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.